One of my larger pieces, at 40 by 50 inches, recently sold from the Loom Gallery in Utah. It was a piece I was very proud of, and I thought maybe you'd be interested in how it came together. I've done several paintings of street scenes in Florence, but this produce store in the historic center has been a favorite subject. For this iteration, I decided to go big. First, I made a 36 by 24 to get a handle on the produce display at scale. And I rehearsed the figure on a smaller canvas. As is my usual practice for a complicated subject, I first made a monochromatic underpainting to give myself a reliable map to follow. I then systematically replaced the gray tones with the colors that I saw in my reference photographs. The light in the scene is intriguing, I think, because the narrow street is lit indirectly by the sky overhead, which is bluish, but also from the warmer lights of the store and the outside wall fixtures. The finished picture was very popular online. It placed first in a couple of online contests, and it was shown at the California Art Club's Gold Medal Show in Los Angeles, where it received some more attention. But it wasn't until sometime later, when it was offered for sale in St. George, Utah, that it found the people who loved it enough to take it home. Thanks for watching. I hope that will have been motivational for someone out there.